In today's fast-paced and competitive world, financial stability is a crucial aspect of a person's well-being. However, certain habits can lead individuals down the path of financial hardship. Understanding and addressing these habits is essential for fostering a healthy financial future. In this video, we will explore 5 common bad habits that can contribute to making people poor. 1. Procrastination and lack of financial planning. One of the primary habits that can lead to financial struggles is procrastination coupled with a lack of financial planning. Delaying important financial decisions, such as budgeting, saving, and investing, can hinder long-term wealth accumulation. Without a clear plan and proactive approach, individuals may find themselves living paycheck to paycheck, unable to meet unexpected expenses or save for the future. 2. Living beyond means. Living beyond one's means is a detrimental habit that often results in accumulating debt. This habit involves spending more money than one earns, relying on credit cards, and accumulating loans to sustain a lifestyle that is unsustainable in the long run. Over time, the burden of debt can become overwhelming, leading to financial instability and a cycle of continuous struggle. 3. Impulse spending and lack of budgeting. Impulse spending is another common habit that can contribute to financial woes. Failing to create and adhere to a budget allows individuals to succumb to the temptation of impulsive purchases, which can quickly deplete their financial resources. Without a clear understanding of income, expenses, and financial goals, it becomes challenging to build wealth and maintain financial stability. 4. Neglecting education and skill development. Failing to invest in education and skill development is a habit that can limit career opportunities and earning potential. In today's rapidly evolving job market, staying competitive requires continuous learning and skill enhancement. Individuals who neglect education may find themselves stuck in low-paying jobs with limited prospects for advancement, contributing to long-term financial struggles. 5. Ignoring health and insurance. Neglecting health and avoiding insurance coverage can have severe financial consequences. Medical emergencies and unexpected health issues can lead to substantial expenses that may deplete savings or force individuals into debt. By prioritizing health and obtaining adequate insurance coverage, individuals can protect themselves from the financial burden associated with unforeseen medical challenges. Breaking free from these destructive habits requires self-awareness, discipline, and a commitment to change. Developing a proactive approach to financial planning, living within one's means, budgeting effectively, investing in education, and prioritizing health are essential steps toward achieving long-term financial stability. By recognizing and addressing these habits, individuals can pave the way for a more secure and prosperous financial future. If you found this video helpful or thought-provoking, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit. We love fostering conversations here, so feel free to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. As always, subscribe for more educative content and encourages personal growth. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay aware, stay empowered, and take care.